Okay, good afternoon to all of you. Can you hear me? Please tell me. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? Okay, good. So this is your last lecture. After this lecture, we will meet after Diwali. ठीक है? So ये हम लोगों का अभी लास्ट लेक्चर है. देन हम लोग दिवाली के बाद मिलेंगे. ठीक है? So as you all know that your exam is there, internal examination, university examination is there. So all of you be prepared for that. आप लोगों को I will tell you that the syllabus for your internal examination is जो आज के लेक्चर तक हुआ है ना, so up to today's lecture the syllabus is there for your university examination. ठीक है? And जो मैंने फर्स्ट ये दी थी ना आप लोगों को ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, दैट इज आवर असाइनमेंट नंबर 1. जिन लोगों ने वो टेस्ट नहीं दिए, बिकॉज फॉर असाइनमेंट देर आर 5 मार्क्स. ठीक है? सो जिन लोगों ने वो असाइनमेंट अभी नहीं दिए, वो लोग मुझे प्लीज रिप्लाई मी ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम. सो आई विल असाइन दैट टेस्ट फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट ओनली. ठीक है? जिन लोगों ने दी है उन लोगों का तो कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन जिन लोगों ने नहीं दी है, बिकॉज 5 मार्क्स आर देयर फॉर असाइनमेंट. ठीक है? सो आई विल कंडक्ट 2 असाइनमेंट्स बेस्ड ऑन 2 चैप्टर. फर्स्ट चैप्टर हम लोगों ने कर दिए. सेकंड चैप्टर अभी जो हो जाएगा ना, आफ्टर दिस चैप्टर आई विल कंडक्ट 1 मोर असाइनमेंट, दैट इज टेस्ट नंबर 2. ठीक है? सो जिन लोगों ने असाइनमेंट नहीं दी है फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट, वो लोग मुझे गूगल क्लासरूम पे आपका नाम दे दो और वहां पे लिख दो कि सर हम लोगों ने असाइनमेंट नहीं दी. सो आई विल असाइन दैट टेस्ट फॉर दोज पीपल ओनली. ठीक है? So this is what I want to tell you for today's lecture. Then we will finish today's lecture. We will finish in today neutralization reactions जो हमारा type 1 था वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एनालिसिस का, दैट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. हम लोगों ने 3 टाइप्स देखे न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन के, एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. एंड इन द लास्ट लेक्चर वी हैव सीन और वी हैव डिस्कस्ड वन एग्जांपल. ठीक है? दैट इज स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन ऑफ HCl. ठीक है? तो इन टुडेज लेक्चर वी विल सी वन मोर एग्जांपल, दैट इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन का, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टॉप हियर. ओके? अंडरस्टूड दिस? तो चलो we'll start today's lecture. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can ask me after the lecture. If you have any problem related to your university internal examination, related to your assignment, you can ask me after the lecture. Okay, so this is your lecture number 2 of lecture number 10 of volumetric analysis. Okay, so we'll start today's lecture. So in this lecture we will see the example number 2 of volumetric analysis, and the aim or the aim of this titration or example is to determine the sodium carbonate content present in the washing soda. You know that washing soda contains sodium carbonate. Okay, and we will determine the percentage or amount of sodium carbonate present in that washing soda. Now there are different brands available in the market of a washing soda, so depending upon that brand, the percentage of or amount of sodium carbonate varies accordingly. Okay, so as a chemist we will determine how much amount of sodium carbonate is present in the particular brand of the washing soda. Okay, so which is very interesting one. So the percentage or amount of sodium carbonate we will determine by chemically, or we will determine by a titrometric analysis, or we can determine it by using a volumetric analysis. So this is our aim of today's experiment, we can say, or today's topic. Okay, so next what we will require, next we will see the chemicals. Which chemicals we will require? We will require hydrochloric acid 0.05 normal hydrochloric acid, that is HCl we will require. Then we will require sample of washing soda, maybe any brand we will take sample of washing soda, and then we will require a methyl orange. This methyl orange, it is used as an indicator. So methyl orange is used as an indicator in this reaction. So these three chemicals we will require, and apparatus we will require burette, we will require volumetric flask, we will require conical flask. This conical flask is also called as a titration flask. Then we will require stands. Okay, we will require droppers. Then we will go to the next point. Next point is procedure. Procedure for the given experiment. Now this experiment, that is determination of sodium carbonate from the washing soda, is divided into part 2. So this procedure is divided into part 2. So first part is preparation of sample solution. See here, part 1 is preparation of sample solution. Which sample solution? That is washing soda. So first part is preparation of sample solution of washing soda. So this washing soda is available in market. It is solid in nature. So this solid, we have to convert that solid into liquid form. Then only we will perform a titration. Na? We cannot take solid in the titration. First we have to convert that solid into our desired liquid form, or desired concentration of that solid into liquid form. So this is our first job. First job is what? To prepare or to convert the solid washing soda into the liquid one. So for that, what we have to do? So see here the procedure. First part is weigh accurately 0.3 to 0.4 gram of sample. That means you have to weigh 0.3 to 0.4 gram of washing soda by using a weighing balance, and add to it to 20 to 50 ml of DW. This DW means it is a distilled water. So first you have to weigh 0.3 to 4 gram of your washing soda, and into that washing soda, take that washing soda in a beaker and add 20 to 25 ml of DW. DW means it is a distilled water. DW means it is distilled water. So in that washing soda 0.3 to 0.4 gram, you have to add 20 to 25 ml distilled water. So what will happen? So that washing soda will get dissolved into minimum amount of water, and after complete dissolution, if any impurities is there, solid impurities is there, then you have to filter that solid impurity. So there is removal of impurity takes place. So after filtration, you will get clear homogeneous solution of washing soda in water, and you have to dilute that dissolved washing soda up to the 100 ml by using a volumetric flask. So you have to prepare 100 ml sample solution of washing soda, and this 100 ml volume you have to adjust by using a volumetric flask. This flask is also very important flask. So this volumetric flask is used to prepare a stock solution. Please remember this. Volumetric flask is used to prepare a stock solution. ठीक है. Then transfer the solution जो हम लोगों ने 100 ml तक dilute किया है, transfer that solution into a beaker to get a homogeneous solutions. After the dilution up to the mark, you have to transfer that solution so as that solution will get homogeneous. ठीक है. Understood how to prepare sample solution? Yes or no? यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया है? First tell me that. Have you understood this? How to prepare your sample solution? Okay, Pramodini Madhukar is saying yes sir. Okay, chalo. Alan is also saying hello. Alan is lecture madhe. Very good. Nutan Anthony is there. Chalo. So first part is over. First part is the preparation of sample solution. Akansha is also saying yes sir. No problem. So our first part is over. First part is preparation of sample solution. This is our first part. Okay. Okay, chalo. Then we'll move to the next point. Next point is part 2. Next point is part 2. That is determination of sodium carbonate content of the washing soda. So this is our main part. Part 2 is our main part. That is determination of sodium carbonate content of the washing soda. So the procedure आप लोगों के screen पे listen carefully. First point, this procedure is very important. So first listen it carefully, and then you can write down if you want. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to take 9 ml of washing soda solution in a conical flask. So what you have to do to take 9 ml of washing soda solution, first you have to fill that washing soda solution in a burette. क्या करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को, पहले जो हम लोगों ने बीकर में होमोजेनियस सॉल्यूशन निकाला था ना, दैट सॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू फिल इनटू द बीकर, इनटू द burette, then remove the air bubble, adjust zero level, and then by using that burette you have to take 9 ml solution of washing soda into a conical flask. तो क्या करना है, by using burette you have to take. So don't use measuring cylinder or a pipette or a dropper for that. You have to fill that solution in a burette only, then remove the air bubble, adjust zero level and take 9 ml of washing soda solution in a conical flask. This conical flask is also called as a titration flask. Why it is called as a titration flask? Because we are performing a titration into that flask. That's why it is called as a titration flask. And after taking the 9 ml of washing soda, you have to add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator, that is methyl orange solution, that is our indicator. Okay, so after taking 9 ml washing soda solution, into that washing soda solution you have to add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator, and after adding that methyl orange indicator, your color of your solution will become yellow. Color of your solution will become yellow. Please remember this, which is very very important. बहुत से बच्चे क्या करते हैं, instead of taking washing soda they take HCl in a conical flask, and into that HCl they add methyl orange indicator, and after adding methyl orange indicator, so automatically there will be no yellow color, because हम लोगों ने washing soda ऐड ही नहीं किया था, HCl ऐड किया था. तो बोलते कि सर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, हम लोगों का कलर नहीं आ रहा है, हमने टाइटेट भी किया. तो don't do this mistake. You have to take washing soda in conical flask, and in that washing soda solution you have to add indicator, then and then only the color of your solution will get yellow. Okay, so this is your step number 1. This is your step number 1. Then step number 2, what you have to do, you have to add the HCl in this solution drop by drop till, but washing soda will produce more bubbles as we said during washing clothes. How to maintain level of burette? No, it will not produce bubble. Okay, because what we are doing in our home, the quantity of that washing soda is large. Here we are taking only 0.3 to 0.4 gram of washing soda, so it will not produce as bubble. Okay, very good question, Madhugar. Very good questions. Our quantity is very very small. That's why there will be no bubble. Okay. Okay, chalo. So then after adding HCl, your solution will becomes yellow. Correct. Then what is the next step? Next step is you have to add HCl. You have to add HCl in this solution drop by drop. Sorry, drop by drop till solution becomes orange red. Till your solution becomes orange red. ठीक है. So आप लोगों को क्या करना है, आप लोगों को वो येलो कलर का solution जो कि washing soda का है, that solution you have to titrate with the HCl. So to titrate with HCl, what you have to do, you have to fill the HCl again in burette. So this is two burette experiment. Please remember this. It is a two burette experiment. In one burette you have added washing soda. In another burette you have to fill that burette with HCl. आप लोगों को क्या करना है, एक burette में washing soda लेना है, and another burette में you have to fill that burette with HCl, and then only you will titrate this yellow color solution with HCl. So first you have to fill that burette number 2 by using HCl, remove the air bubble and adjust zero level, and you have to add that HCl into your conical flask drop wise, and after adding each drop you have to shake it. You have to shake it. So what will happen after some time or after some addition of HCl, color of that solution will become orange red. See here, color of that solution will become orange red. Originally the color of solution was yellow, and after adding some HCl, some volume of HCl, your solution will become orange red. So end point of your titration is, क्या है आप लोगों का end point titration का? End point of your titration is, tell me. What is the end point of your titration? No? Orange red. Nutan is saying, Pramodini is also saying orange red. This is not the end point. Correct me. Sorry. Tell me the correct end point. Orange red is not a color end point of your titration. Alan is also saying orange red. No, Alan. Orange red is not the end point of your titration. That's why I have asked you. अगर इतना easy होता तो मैं no, why yellow? Pramodin is saying yellow. नो येलो, दैट्स आई हैव आस्क्ड यू। अगर इतना इजी होता तो मैं आप लोगों को पूछता ही नहीं ना। व्हाट इज द एंड पॉइंट ऑफ योर टाइटल? इस्तेशाम नहीं है क्या आज? येलो टू yellow to orange red, correct Alan, very good. The while answering the question about end point, you have to answer आपका जो ओरिजिनल कलर था वो, एंड जो आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन ऐड करने के बाद हुआ है वो। सो end point of your titration is yellow to orange red, please remember this, end point of your titration is yellow to orange red, ठीक है। So whatever the volume of your HCl you have added, that volume or that reading you have to write that reading as a y1 ml. y1 ml is equal to, suppose it is 8.5 ml, so your value of y1 will be 8.5 ml. Please just for sorry, just for understanding, take y1 is equal to 8.5, करेक्ट। वो उसकी दूसरी कुछ भी आ सकती है वैल्यू। सो your y1 is 8.5 ml. So then you have to add to the same flask 1 ml, यहाँ पे ml है, add to the same flask 1 ml solution of washing soda from burette number 1, and again your solution will becomes, so don't throw that solution। जो आप लोगों का ऑरेंज रेड आया है ना कोलिकल फ्लास्क में, डोंट थ्रो दैट सॉल्यूशंस इनटू द सेम सॉल्यूशन, यू हैव टू ऐड 1 ml of washing soda, into the same solution you have to add 1 ml of washing soda। So after adding 1 ml of washing soda, what will happen? Again your solution will get yellow color, again your solution will get yellow color, and अगर yellow color आया है, then whatever your y1 ml जो हम लोगों ने रीडिंग लिया था ना, that is correct। बहुत से सारे बच्चों का आफ्टर एडिंग 1 ml वॉशिंग सोडा येलो कलर नहीं आता, दैट मीन्स दे हैव एडेड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ HCl इनटू द कोनिकल फ्लास्क। अगर 1 ml डालने से आप लोगों का येलो कलर आ रहा है ना, दैट मीन्स योर y1 ml की जो वैल्यू है दैट इज करेक्ट। So after getting yellow color, titrate this solution with HCl, again same procedure you have to repeat, again titrate these solutions with HCl, that means you have to don't fill the burette of HCl again ना। for example आपका 8.5 ml आया था ना, तो again उसको जीरो करने की जरूरत नहीं है। from 8.5 ml onward you have to add the HCl। so what will happen after adding 1 or 2 ml of HCl, your solution again will get color change will be there। सो येलो था तो उसमें से क्या हो जाएगा, ऑरेंज रेड हो जाएगा। कॉल दिस रीडिंग एज ए y2 ml। सो 8.5 से अगर हमने एक 2 ml ऐड किया तो इट विल बिकम 9.5 और 10.5। सो योर y2 ml विल बी 9 पॉइंट और 10.5 वॉट एवर इट इज जो आप लोग, एंड रिपीट दिस प्रोसीजर वन मोर टाइम एंड यू विल गेट y3 एज वेल। आप लोगों को ये 3 बार करना है एक्सपेरिमेंट, so that you will get the value of y1, y2 and y3, and once you get the value of y1, y2, y3, you will calculate the percentage of amount of sodium carbonate content by using some equation, क्या है? So next part is calculation, next part is, so your experimental or table part is over, table work is over of that experiment, experimental part is over, then next part is कैलकुलेशन। आप लोगों को कैलकुलेशन करना है। दिस कैलकुलेशन पार्ट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर आप लोगों ने बहुत सारा अच्छे से एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, आपके वैल्यू भी अच्छे से आया है, y1 y2 आप लोगों के अच्छे से, कलर चेंज भी आप लोगों का अच्छे से आ रहा है, और आप लोगों ने कैलकुलेशन में गलती कर दी ना, तो आप लोगों का पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट फेल हो जाएगा। सो दिस कैलकुलेशन is also very very important। calculation of that experiment is, it is called as heart of the experiment, ठीक है। calculation is very very important। so you will require a little bit maths in this case। so without math you cannot reproduce or you cannot represent chemistry, so math is also very very important, ठीक है। so let us see the calculation। क्या है हम लोगों के पास, this is our standard equation, please remember this, this is our standard equation, that is 1000 ml 1 normal HCl equals to 53 grams of sodium carbonate, this is our standard equation, ठीक है। 1000 ml 1 normal HCl equals to 53 gram of sodium carbonate, ठीक है। ये हम लोगों का स्टैंडर्ड है। देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या जाएगा, 1000 ml, now 0.1 normal HCl will corresponds to 5.3 gram, समझ में आया। 1000 ml वही के वही है, 1 नॉर्मल चेंज होगा 0.1 नॉर्मल से, तो क्या हो जाएगा 1 पॉइंट इधर आ जाएगा। सो 53 ग्राम विल बिकम 5.3 ग्राम। ठीक है, समझ में आप लोगों को ये। देन नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ है, देन 100 ml, नाउ हियर 1000 नहीं है, 100 ml है। 100 ml कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी चेंज हुआ है, हाफ हुआ है, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी क्या हुआ है, हाफ हुआ है। 100 ml 0.05 नॉर्मल, सॉरी 100 ml 0.05 normal SL corresponds to sorry 100 ml 0.05 normal SCl corresponds to 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate, 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate। ठीक है, समझ में आई है। देन नाउ 1 ml, now we'll calculate for 1 ml। यहाँ हम लोगों ने 100 ml के तो लिए कैलकुलेट किया है। now here we will calculate for 1 ml 1 ml 0.05 normal SCl corresponds to this much gram of sodium carbonate, that is 0.0265 gram of sodium carbonate। then y1 ml, देन y1 ml जो हम लोगों का फर्स्ट रीडिंग था, दैट इज y1 ml 0.05 नॉर्मल, हम लोगों की नॉर्मलिटी थी SCl की। सो y1 ml 0.05 नॉर्मल करस्पॉन्ड्स टू दिस मच, ये आ जाएगा इक्वेशन। इफ यू डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन इट विल कम दिस which is called as A1 gram। क्या आ जाएगा, y1 into 0.05 multiplied by 0.026 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.05। या आप लोग ये y1 की वैल्यू डालोगे यहाँ पे तो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ A1, you will get the value of A1, and similarly you will put y2 here, you will get the value of A2, and if you put y3 here you will get the value of A3। ठीक है, so you will get the value of A1 A2 A3 by putting the values of y1 y2 y3 जो हम लोगों ने थ्री रीडिंग लिए थे। सी है, अगर हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे y2 की वैल्यू डाल दी तो यू विल गेट A2, एंड हियर y3 की डाल दी in this equation you will get the A3। So now 9 ml diluted solutions contains A1 gram of sodium carbonate। This A1 corresponds for 9 ml, please remember this। A1 corresponds for what, it corresponds for the 9 ml diluted solution of sodium carbonate। Now we will calculate for 100 ml, we will calculate for 100 ml। So 100 ml diluted solution contains A1 into 100 divided by 9, ये आ जाएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके, क्या आ जाएगा, A1 multiplied by 100 divided by 9। so we will call this answer as a B1 gram, we will call this answer as a B1 gram, and we will calculate, we have calculated for A1, now we will calculate for A2, you will get B2, now we will again calculate for A3, you will get the value of B3। so how see here, now for 10 ml, 10 ml is corresponds to A2 gram, 10 ml corresponds to A2 gram। so 10 ml diluted solution contains A2 gram of sodium carbonate। so 100 ml diluted solution contains A2 into 100 divided by 10। if you put the value of A2 here you will get the B2 value, then similarly you will get the value of A3। now 100 ml diluted solution contains A3 gram, ये जो sorry 11 ml का था ना, it is for A3 gram के लिए। so 100 ml will A3 into 100 divided by 10, you will get B3। now we will do the we will calculate the mean or we will calculate the average B1 B2 B3 का, we will calculate average or mean। so mean is equal to B1 B2 B3 divided by 3 because 3 readings are there, B1 B2 B3 divided by B3, so it will give you the amount of sodium carbonate, that is we will call that mean as a B gram, we will call that mean as a B gram। ठीक है, so this B gram of sodium carbonate, this B gram of sodium carbonate ये किस में आ जाएगा, that is for W ग्राम के लिए आ जाएगा। that means हम लोगों ने कितना लिया था, 0.3 to 0.4 ग्राम लिया था। so this B1 वैल्यू जो आ जाएगी ना हम लोगों की, it is for 0.3 और 0.4 जो भी हम लोगों ने आप लोगों ने वे करके लिया है ना, वेइंग बैलेंस से, वो वैल्यू आ जाएगी। W इज इक्वल टू, उसमें हम लोगों का कितना प्रेजेंट है, B ग्राम प्रेजेंट है। सो विल कैलकुलेट फॉर 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे। सो विल गेट द परसेंटेज, हम लोग क्या करेंगे 100 ग्राम के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो विल गेट द परसेंटेज. सो आई विल गेट द परसेंटेज B multiplied by 100 divided by W. Divided by W, we will get the M, that is percentage of sodium carbonate present in that particular brand of washing soda. So in this way you can calculate the percentage of sodium carbonate present in the washing soda of any brand. ठीक है, understood this experiment? Tell me, समझ में आया आप लोगों को experiment? Yes or no? If you have any doubt, Pramodini is saying yes sir. If you have any doubt about this experiment, you can ask me. If you have any doubt about this experiment, you can ask me. I think we'll stop here. ठीक है. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask. I will give 5 minutes for that. ठीक है. Anthony is saying yes sir. Okay, no problem Anthony. Santosh. Or you can ask me any problem or any doubt regarding your exam. Huh? So just give a brief description about the internal examination. Internal examination is similar to our online examination 1. कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं उसमें. जो हम लोगों ने एरर्स में थी ना, एरर्स चैप्टर के बाद हम लोगों ने 1 एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया था, ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन. सिमिलर एग्जामिनेशन है. ठीक है, सेम होने वाला है. टॉपिक्स आज के लेक्चर तक. चैप्टर नंबर 1, that is errors in volumetric analysis. Any update about external backlog examination? Which backlog examination? FYBSC का. Then Madhukar, FYBSC का backlog examination. Okay, so that backlog examination of FYBSC and our SYBSC फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्जामिनेशन वो साथ में ही होने वाला है. कब होने वाला है दैट आई डोंट नो. लेकिन आप लोगों के जो बैकलॉग्स है, दैट बैकलॉग्स ऑफ FYBSC एंड रेगुलर एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ SYBSC सेमेस्टर 1, ये आप लोगों के सेम टाइम पे होने वाले हैं. कब होने वाले हैं दैट आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज उसका टाइम टेबल अभी तक नहीं आया है. ठीक है. नाउ जो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट ऑनलाइन टेस्ट ली थी ना, उसमें से बहुत से सारे क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन में आने वाले हैं. ठीक है. ओके, चलो. सो एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम? If no doubt, okay. Happy Diwali to all of you. We will meet after the Diwali now. ठीक है. सर ऑनलाईन होणार की ऑफलाईन सेमिस्टर एक्झामिनेशन ते पण डिसाइड नाही झालेलं सागर अजून. ते पण युनिव्हर्सिटीनी किंवा स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटनी ते पण डिसाइड नाही केलेलं. ठीक आहे. नूतन इज सेइंग सेम टू यू सर. ओके. इस्तेशाम आता है का इस्तेशाम? Okay, happy Diwali to all of you once again. So we will meet after Diwali. Enjoy your holiday. ठीक है. Okay, चलो. Now shall I stop here? Shall I stop here? Okay, चलो. Sir, but university is saying it will be start from 3rd December backlog exam. अगर यूनिवर्सिटी ने ऐसे कहा है तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ ऑफिशियल प्लेटफॉर्म पे नहीं आया है वो. चलो. संतोष is saying happy Diwali to you. Happy Diwali to you Santosh also. Okay, chalo, no problem, no doubt, no any more questions. So, okay, Pramodini is saying Happy Diwali to you, Pramodini. Okay, chalo, so I will stop here. Bye bye, take care. Sir, will numerical come as MCQ? Maybe, maybe, maybe. स्टेशन सेइंग सर क्या न्यूमेरिकल आ सकते हैं क्या? आ सकते हैं बेटा. हम्म, तैयारी करो अच्छे से. ओके. ओके, चलो, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ गुड डे.